Hi everyone, welcome to Micah's Crazy Kitchen. Today we're going to do a quick little ditty called the Parmesan or baby roasted Parmesan potato with a little fresh lemon zest in there too and a bunch of thyme. So we've got our little baby roast potatoes, about 1.5 pounds. Then I put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, tossed them in there. You got about a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. We've got about a tablespoon of fresh thyme, some salt and pepper, and we've got lemon.
I like your lemon.
Fresh lemon.
What does that lemon look like, Micah?
I don't know. Something
It's,
from the Isle of Nepal, but Nepal is not an island. I don't know. Anyways, okay,
It's
we're
nice and firm, I
Yeah,
can see.
it is.
Might
We're
be a
gonna
little cold in here.
dump this Parmesan cheese. Oh, it is. Thank you for noticing. Okay, see that? How quick? How quick? Boom, boom, boom. Tossy turn.
Are those potatoes raw, Micah?
These are a raw potato. Baby potatoes are good. If they're this size, you do not need to cut them in half. If they're, these are like perfect, friends. Perfect.
You'd almost use them as hors d'oeuvres on their own.
Oh my goodness. Little toothpick in there, some little dippy sauce if you want, but you probably won't need a dippity-doo sauce.
I can't wait to try those.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna do a little zesty here, folks.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, rub that.
Careful.
That's a zesty, all right.
That?
You're not using the juice or the
No.
milk of the.
Well, now
The
that you
lemon?
say that, Steve,
Why
I
wouldn't
think
you
we're
use a
giving
little
him a
milk of the
squeeze.
lemon?
He's good. He is always thinking. This is not his first clam bake, folks.
That's right.
Oh, we got a seed in there. Oh, we'll leave it be. Someone can, for the
I'll eat it later.
F's sake. Okay, okay. There.
Now
Well-
I'm happy.
We are happy, folks. Now, these are going to go into an oven at 400 for about 25 minutes or so. In you go. And we'll come back to you and see how delightful these are, my friends. All right, we're going to check these in the oven now, folks. The Parmesan potato. And it is going to be delight. Skyrockets at night. Afternoon delight. Oh. Okay.
Oh, they look
We'll
like
do a little-
Timbits.
Oh, these are so done.
Are they done?
These are Brooks and. This is gonna be a hot potato here, folks. Super hot potato. Just a little bit of that. We're gonna make this look really pretty here, little restaurant styles. We're gonna take our balsamic reduction, because it is so tasty.
And what is that?
That is just reduced balsamic vinegar, my friends.
So it's boiled down balsamic
Boiled
vinegar.
down balsamic vinegar, a little parsley.
Oh,
There we
it's
go.
So pretty.
Steve, do you want to try one of these hot potatoes?
Do I?
Do you?
Oh, I do. I do.
All right, come around
I
here.
gotta
my
just get a
friend.
get a close up here for Kenny. Oh, there you go, Kenny.
Look at that.
Look at that.
See that was cut in. Look,
Little crazy yum right there.
there you
Now
go,
it's
my
my
friend.
favorite part.
It's a little hot
It's
potato.
my favorite part of the
Oh,
show.
you know what? If you hang on, un momento, por favor, eh?
No, I can't.
All right, we almost had it. That's a hot potato. I'm just gonna add a little more. Why not? It's not gonna hurt.
No,
There you go.
it's very good. They're hot, but they're good. Oh my goodness, we'll throw some parsley on there.
And these potatoes, my friends, are gonna go with our stuffed pike. You can use that with. You can go with our pork souvlaki that we're gonna make, and it can also go with our pike. Did I already say pike?
Yeah,
Okay, it's
That's
gonna go with
okay.
our pork chop.
Yeah.
I was just all excited when tasting this.
very excited.
All right, my friends. Thank you for enjoying this episode of Micah's Kitchen.
Yeah, but
Crazy
before you
Kitchen.
go-
What?
You need to manufacture or dream up some sort of a sour cream sauce for these. That'll be
Oh, a little
another
dippity
episode.
dip. Yeah. Well, actually, you could dip that in a tzatziki sauce, which would also be fantastic.
Yeah, but we need a Micah's Crazy Kitchen sour cream sauce for these. My
All
mouth
right.
is watering. I'm showering these, so I can guarantee that they're all mine. Thank you.
Okay. Like and subscribe, my friends. We'll see you again.